The easiest way for you to make more money inside the Amazon Influencer Program is through Amazon Creator Connections. In fact, in 1 month alone, I made over $1,100 just by utilizing Creator Connections efficiently. And this was during a month when I was traveling for about 2 to 3 weeks to Mexico and California, and I got married and planned a wedding. And the reason I say all that is to highlight the potential with Creator Connections, because it allows you to increase your commissions every day without having to add or upload any more review videos. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through what Creator Connections is and how to use it correctly, and specifically how you can make over $1,000 a month by utilizing it efficiently. And I want to give you a few best practice tips to use inside Creator Connections every day so that you can continually increase your commissions without having to upload more review videos. Real quick, my name is Mkr&x. This is a brand new channel of mine. Do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe, especially if you want to continue to see more content on how to make more money on Amazon. I will continue to post every week for the rest of this year if you subscribe. And if you do have any questions about what I talk about in this video, comment down below and I'll answer them. Let's dive in. Now, Creator Connections actually fits under the promotional programs for influencers and associates that Amazon has. And it's right there along with the Bounty program, the Creator Rewards program, the Deals Hub, and it's essentially trying to incentivize you to create more content and post and refer more products that are selling on Amazon. But it is by far the most lucrative out of all of the other programs, because what it is essentially is it's a place where brands can collaborate with influencers and content creators on Amazon to make a win-win situation. And so when a brand launches a product on Amazon, typically they want to jumpstart sales to be able to get it to page 1 and be able to get a lot of traffic to their product. And so what they'll do is enroll that product into Creator Connections, and instead of paying a normal 2% commission, they'll pay up to 10 to 30% commission of the selling price of the product to content creators simply to just create content and promote it more. It's so effective that, real quick, if you want a more detailed guide on how to utilize Creator Connections, I put together a step-by-step guide specifically for Creator Connections because of its earning potential, and I have it linked down below in the video description. And inside the guide is a link to join my private influencers group. Go ahead and grab your copy of this guide while it's free. Like I said, it's down below in the video description. They're willing to take a hit or even a loss doing this. That's why some of the commission rates are so big with Creator Connections. But it's not just for brand new products. Brands will do this if they want to like revamp a product, or if it's during a seasonal time of the year, whatever the case may be. And so that's the win-win situation. The brand will get a increase in sales on Amazon, and content creators, influencers, associates will just simply earn a lot more money per review video and get free products to review. Now, easier said than done, because when you go into Creator Connections, it's a little confusing. Right when you log in, it's going to show all of the available campaigns that brands are running for their products. And so each campaign is essentially a brand wanting to promote their product. So if I was to run a campaign for this blender bottle, I would create a campaign. I would show how much commission I will pay out to the creator, how long the campaign is going on for, and I have a budget. I have an allotted amount of how much I'm willing to pay out to creators. And once that budget is used up, then the campaign will end, or it'll just simply stop. And what's crazy is if you see on my screen, there's over 400,000 available campaigns. I took a screenshot of creator campaigns back in May. So it was about like 5-6 months ago. Yeah, it was like 6-7 months ago. The available campaigns was a little over 200,000. This number has doubled. And that just shows the growth of this. So there's tons of opportunity. Way too little people utilize it correctly. But here's the hard part. When you go into Creator Connections and you see those products on available campaigns, you are trying to find products that you have already reviewed. That's the most lucrative approach. And you cannot filter through 400,000 campaigns. It's going to take way too much time. And typically, they're going to show the products that are most relevant to you as a creator based off of your storefront, what kinds of videos you've already reviewed. So that's just FYI if you've ever wondered, why are they showcasing these products at the very top? You can, use the different filters to filter by the campaigns, whether it's like the commission rate or the start or the end date. But the name of the game is you have to opt into all of the campaigns that are available for products that you have already reviewed in your storefront. Now, if you don't have the Review Pro tool, I highly recommend it. It is the #1 Amazon influencer tool. And if you want to follow along, I have a link to a 30-day free trial to use and test this feature out in your storefront. I'm going to leave it linked down below in the video description. But here's the hard part to this older approach is since there's over 400,000 campaigns available in Creator Connections, you'd have to one by one go through all of your review videos in your storefront and find the product that you reviewed, search for it in the available campaigns, campaigns, see if there's a campaign running, and if not, just go back and go to the next one. You'd have to do that one by one. I have over 1,700 review videos in my storefront. That would be impossible. It would take forever to do that. It's unrealistic. Luckily, the solution to all of this is with Review Pro. You can automatically search, find, and auto accept all campaigns available in Creator Connections just with 2 clicks of a button. It makes life incredibly easy. You don't have to do anything. You simply just click a button to see if there's any available campaigns that link with the products that you have already reviewed in your storefront. And out of all the campaigns that are available, it's going to automatically accept and opt into them. And so that your content is submitted and you're going to start earning more for the review videos that you already have in this campaign. That's going to make your life so much easier. You're going to be earning a ton more commission as time goes by. So let me kind of show you a little more step-by-step of how to do this. So it's pretty simple. First, you're going to go into your storefront and then you're going to see this orange window at the top right. Go ahead and click Start Extraction. What it's going to do is simply identify all the products on Amazon that you have already reviewed and created content for. And then we're going to go into Creator Connections real quick. If you see a window like this, then you need to switch your store ID from your username to where it says ONAMZ and then your username. Okay. Why? It's basically the difference between the associates and the influencer program. That's a discussion for a different day. But for now, just make sure it says ONAMZ. Once you're on Creator Connections, you're going to see another window at the top right. And all you need to do is click Find and auto opt into campaigns. And so what it's going to do is go through all 400,000 available campaigns and find all the campaigns that you can opt into based off of what products you have already reviewed and created content for. Not only that, it'll accept the campaign and move it into the active tab where all of your active campaigns are listed. It'll show how many campaigns it's found and also accepted in this little table. And of course, the best part is you do not need to resubmit any content in here. That's going to make your life so much easier. If you want to make more money in the influencer program, you need to utilize Creator Connections and especially this tool, which will literally do all of the work for you. You're going to see your commissions jump overnight, I promise you. And I run this tool every morning. To my surprise, every morning, I see more new available campaigns. This number is just getting bigger. And so the time to act on this and get in on it is truly right now. I promise you, if you're not utilizing this tool or feature, you are leaving money on the table. Case closed. Now, a few best practices to use with Creator Connections that I found very, very helpful. First thing is simple. Run this tool every day. Every morning, open up your storefront and run this tool. It's going to find more and more campaigns every new day. It'll blow your mind how many new campaigns become available every single day. And like I said, the more you run this tool in Creator Connections, the more money you're going to make. It's very, very simple. So run this tool every day, find new campaigns to opt into. And of course, the more products that you review, the more videos that you post, the more campaigns you're going to be able to find, just a FYI. And the second thing is that you can message brands for products that you haven't reviewed or you don't have access to. You can actually message the brand and ask them to send a free sample to you. I use a basic script and I basically say, hey, I would love to review your product. And I give them a link to my storefront, letting them know that I am legit, and I ask them if they're interested. And I found that they often will reply back and you'll get a lot of free products. And what's nice about it is brands are going to send you products that are obviously in Creator Connections. And these are typically like brand new products that they're just releasing. And these brand new products typically have no other Amazon influencer videos on the listing. So you're going to get a nice cozy spot being the only influencer video on their listing and basically gather all of the commissions for yourself since there's no competition. So that's the beauty of working with brands, messaging them on Creator Connections and getting more free products to review. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you have any questions about what I've talked about, comment down below in the video description. And if you want more information on Creator Connections and how to increase your commissions overall, go ahead and grab my free guide down below in the video description. And if you want to know how to make over $100 a day in the Amazon Influencer Program, then I recommend watching this video right here that I linked above. I'll see you there.